What's up, YouTube? I'm Kimmy Nicole and welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber already, welcome back. What's up? I'm glad that you came back again. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and press the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post a video. To all of you guys, I just want to say Happy New Year. This is my first video of the year 2019. I'm coming hard, okay? I'm not going nowhere. I'm ready to do this. So today I'm gonna be updating you guys on how my hair has been going. Like, it's been 2 years since I've been natural. 2 years now. I'm no longer a new natural, okay? I've been doing this. No, I'm just playing. Like, this is 2 years and I feel like I'm just learning a lot of new things about my hair. So I'm gonna use this video to explain everything that I've learned about my hair, and so that you guys can see the growth. Because sis, I'm not bald-headed no more. I don't fit in that category. Don't put me in a bald-headed category anymore. I don't want to hear it. I don't. Okay, I want you guys to watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. At the end, make sure you comment below if you have any advice for me and if you have anything that you want to say. I mean, like, come on, we getting close now. Like, it's 2 years. We're basically family. Like, what's up, sis? If you are new here, you could become family. So make sure you subscribe and you like and you share. Like, come on. Let's get this channel popping, you know what I'm saying? In this video today, I will be using all Cantu products. I found like a set at Walmart during like the Christmas sale, and it's like a limited edition winter care repair package, and it has 3 different products in it. It has the leave-in conditioner, it has a strengthening treatment, and then it has a oil. So I will be using that to create these chunky twists, so mini twists that I have in my hair right now. At the end, I'll tell you like what I really feel about the products and if I recommend them and things like that. So just stick around to the end and I'll give you my opinion. So I'll see you then. Listen, this video is long overdue, YouTube. It's long overdue. I feel like I should have been giving you guys some updates about like my natural hair since the beginning, but this is my hair after 2 years, and I want to show you guys like how long my hair got and like what I learned about my hair and stuff like that. I just washed my hair and deep conditioned it because I wore it out for like the new year, and my hair was just dry and brittle, and I just had to like give it some TLC, you know. So that's why I'm dripping wet. I'm dripping. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Time say dripping. I'm gonna be using some Cantu products in this video. I got this package from Walmart called Winter Care and Repair, and I thought it was like perfect because that's what I need right now. Stuff is not cheap. So the fact that they had these 3 products on sale for $10, I was like, I gotta use it. And then plus, I deep conditioned my hair with this hair mask. Make sure you watch my mask Mondays, because I will have this mask on it, and I'm almost done. So it was a pretty good mask. This one is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. Provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable. Formulated for damaged, dry, or coarse hair. That's me. And then you have the Cantu Shea Butter Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. Strengthens fragile strands, protects from heat damage. I am gonna sit under the dryer, but it's not gonna be enough to worry about heat damage. But this is that. This one says massage into fragile areas, edges, okay, crown, okay, temples, okay, I need that. And then it says beginning at the roots and work towards the end. And it says for deeper penetration, cover with plastic cap for 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna do that. I need it. And then I have the Cantu Shea Butter, Tea Tree, and Jojoba Oil, hair and scalp oil. Helps protect against breakage, conditions scalp to encourage growth. No drip formula. Came through dripping, drip, drip. I'm gonna start with the leave-in conditioner, and then while I work it in, working me. Stop. Okay, stop. While I'm working in the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to just tell you guys like some things that I've learned about my hair and like what's been going on with my hair. Like, and we could talk about the growth. And I really haven't been doing a lot of length checks though. Like I just could tell by the size of my afro and like how big my puff is getting that my hair is growing, but I haven't done an actual length check. Let me start off by telling you guys like what my hair type is. I think that's what everybody usually wants to know. I think at the beginning of my journey, I felt like I had type 4C hair, but as the journey went on and I started like really paying attention and like manipulating my hair a little bit more and not just throwing it in cornrows, I realized that I don't have one type of curl pattern in my hair. Like a lot of my hair is 4C, I believe, but it mixed all up in there. There's like some 4B, 4A at some points. Like it's really mixed up. Ooh, girl, did you see that? Oh, let's just do a little bit of length check. Like, sis, what's up? Like your hair growing. I learned that my hair is low porosity, so it takes a little bit longer for products to kind of sink in my hair. I like to put all my products in my hair while I'm in the shower. I feel like the steam allows it to like soak it up better. So now for the products, like the products that I use in my hair. So my hair loves olive oil. My hair loves olive oil and my hair loves Jamaican black castor oil. So those are the two oils that I use. As far as like moisturizers and stuff like that, I found out like my hair loves thick consistencies. Like if the product has a thick consistency, my hair absolutely loves it. My hair will stay moisturized so much longer if the consistency is thicker. I don't like to wash my hair too much because like I said, my hair dries out really fast. So I've been doing cold washes. I don't wash my hair too much because my scalp dries out really bad. My scalp dries out really fast and it's always in like the same area. So like right at my temple and like right on this side, like the sides of my hair, like right here, is always the driest. I'll wash my hair when my hair feels really dirty and or I use a lot of gel or whatever, but other than that, I don't be doing too much of the shampooing. Another thing I learned about my hair is like, you know, because of the shrinkage, I can't really wash my hair, just go in the shower and wash my hair. Like I have to detangle my hair before I even get in the shower, and I have to section it off into mini twists. I mean, not mini twists, but chunky twists, and then or section it off like I have it right now, but in 6 instead of 4. And then I can go in the shower and like wash it section by section. It does make the washing process a little better. So that's how I wash it. So June 2018, I straightened my hair, and I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see like how long my hair was. And hopefully you can compare it to like this now, like stretched out. Okay, so I'm gonna finish putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and then when I get to this step, which is the Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment, I'm gonna put it on my hair again, put them in twists, put them in like chunky, put my hair in chunky twists, and then I'm gonna send it on to dry for 30 minutes. Let me go do this, and I'll be back.
Way back in the day, sneaking out the crib no matter what your mama say. I ain't no bad girl, but I ain't no good girl. I'm keeping it classy, but I gotta keep it hood, girl. Shout out to my grandma, miss her so much. Shout out to Johnson Smith, cause they always showing love. Shout out to JoJo, TJ, DJ, and Rihanna. Shout out to Ryan, Amir, Dallas, and Tanya. We gon' party like it's 1995. We gon' party like it's 1995. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. All night, all night, all 1995. We gon' party like it's 1995. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. All night, all night.
Okay, so yesterday I left the video off at me doing the twist. So I finished the twist. Don't make in fun of my little chicken head bun, okay? Cut it out. Well, I just did a little, you know, 1-2 chicken head bun bang. Something twist up in the back. Who knows what it looks like? I did it without a mirror. The products. That's what we're here to talk about. The products. So the 3 products that I used, if you guys remember, was the leave-in, the strengthening treatment, and the oil. All right, first, the leave-in. What I like about the leave-in. One, like I told you, my hair likes thick product. It's really, really thick and really, really moisturizing. So this felt really good on my hair. I really liked it. And I think I used this before. So I just had a smaller jar. It wasn't this big. But this was really good. I would recommend this. And it smells so good. Like, it smells hella good. So yes, I will keep using this, and I will use it to the very end. The next thing was this Grow Strong strengthening treatment. How I felt about this. I was supposed to sit under the dryer with it and like really figure out like how much of a treatment it was, but it's just a moisturizer. It's like literally just a moisturizer, and I think it's thick too. It's a pretty thick consistency as well. So with these 2 products together, they actually worked really well. Like, I think it really moisturized. Like, my hair is really moisturized. It feels really, really good. So thumbs up to those 2 products. I would recommend to buy them, and I really think these are not that expensive. I think this is like $6, and maybe this might be $6 too, or somewhere around that price if you get it from Walmart. If you haven't tried Cantu is kind of like the beginning stages of a natural. I think this is what people use at the very beginning. Like, I think I started using that when I had like a TWA, but I mean, it's still out there, so hey. And this was my first time using this tea tree and jojoba hair oil. As far as this oil, it's oil. I used it on my scalp. The best thing about this is the little nozzle, because I literally just went like in between everything and then put it in there, so it's nice and easy. As for all of it, I really like it, and I am going to use it to the very end. If you like this video, make sure you like and you subscribe, okay? And make sure you click the bell notification so that you get all my videos. Also, follow me on Instagram at @AkimiNicole_. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.